Hello everyone, so this video is for the coffee addicts or coffee lovers out there. I have here the DeLonghi, how do you say it? DeLonghi, yeah, DeLonghi Nescafe Dolce Gusto. So I don't know, I just bought it from Amazon UK again because wifey wants some coffee machine. Wifey or me, doesn't matter, we all have it. Okay, so I was a bit intrigued with this system. I'm new to this. I never tried this before, so I only had like drip coffee, I mean, but this one should be a big upgrade for me. So let's get on to it. The Dolce Gusto is a variant of coffee machine systems which uses these capsules, these ones. So you don't have to grind beans. You just have to buy their capsules, or what do you call this? It's self-contained. You just put it in. The machine will just introduce hot water for depends on what amount. Some machines have are automatic, so you just set just press some buttons, then it will just give you the exact water. But this machine does not. So this is actually what I love about this, because varying depends on the people, on the person. It's up to you if you want more hot water or less, or cold. It also can use room temperature water. So yeah, this is why I chose this. Is actually because you can manually choose how much water you want, opposed to the other machine like the Tassimo, which it uses barcodes in the capsules. So when you insert the capsules, it will read the barcode and then will exactly put hot water. It will exactly put the exact amount of the hot water, and you cannot adjust it. So this is what I like about it. I don't know about you, but this way I got it. So here, at the front of the box, we got the of course the machine itself, Dolce Gusto branding here. 15 bars maximum pressure, hermetically sealed for the capsules. I mean, hot and cold, I will show you later. Yeah, all of that shit. Get more from your machine. Yeah, Dolce Gusto. Yeah. By the way, this is the DeLonghi Piccolo XS for the Dolce Gusto series. By the way, I will show you this. I also got several of this. This actually the capsules. You have to buy this separately. This one is Americano Intenso. Yes. I also bought some. There's also some Starbucks. So on the side, you got here open to start. So just lift up the cover and then pull out the this capsule case. Put the capsule, put in and close. Hermetically sealed again. Hot and cold. This lever here, hot and cold. Anyway, I will just show you with the actual machine. 0.8 liters water, 15 bars pressure. Yes, 2 years warranty. Okay. At the back, this is the back of the box. You can see there's various selections here. For the Nescafe, you can have their capsules. They have also several flavors, and there's also Starbucks, as I've said, and others more. And the other side here, another pictures of this. Bottom, nothing. At the top, you got this double top cover. Again, pictures, labels. Okay, let's open it. Here you have to flip one, another one. Okay, we have also some instructions here. Clean me first. 1, 2, 3, and then let me serve you. 1, 2, 3. All right. So you have instructions here also. Put water. Yeah, basic. Yeah, top. Okay. You can do this. If you buy this, you can just read it, huh? Then let's open it. First, we got the drip tray. You see, we have the drip tray here. Yeah. And then just the cardboard, securing box. After that, we got, it's covered. I think it's the full thing. Up. Alright, split out. This is the unit itself with the water tank. I like the red cord. It's like a Ferrari. Manuals of, let's put it aside first. You got manuals. Yep. Here we got a nice manual here. You just have to take a look for yourself when you buy it. See, for example, espresso. So you put 15 seconds. Oh, you can put here. This is when you, it's the time here. It means 30 seconds. 30 seconds for water to flow into the your cup. But I guess it's up to you if you want to, if it's stronger or, yeah, if it's stronger, then you have to just pull the lever of hot water for shorter time. For longer time, then it will make your coffee a little bit dull. But it's up to you. That's what I said. That this is what I like about this machine, that you can manually choose. So if for me, I like stronger. If my wife or another person in the house wants lighter, so they can just to call this, they can just extend the time for the hot water. So it's up to you. It's up to you if you like the automatic or what. So then here, take care all of these maintenance instructions. Here are the flavors: espresso, lungo, grande, cafe au lait, cappuccino, latte macchiato, mocha, Macaresh style tea. I didn't know that. I'm gonna have to search for that. Okay, that's for the manual. There's one card here. What's this? What is it's just information. Yeah, it's just like an information about Dolce Gusto. Yeah, okay. Starbucks. Just saying about some information about the coffee source and everything. Also instruction here. Yeah, it's quite good. More information is good for me. I don't know, some of you don't like more information. For me, I like the more information, the better. So we got a, what is this, a blanket. See, very white paper. It's a, wait, what's this? I think it's safety precautions. Okay, I don't think anyone needs reach this, but I think you should give it a try with safety precautions. The other one here is the warranty. Okay, how's the warranty? Okay. Alright, so everything's here. 2 years warranty. Alright, I guess that's it. if you're excited as I am, let's get into the real thing. All right. As I've said, I love this. It's like the Ferrari of cables. Yeah. UK plug. By the way, I bought this for what, 29 pounds, which for me it's cheap for me. I'm not rich, but compared to other machines, it's quite cheap. It's on promo, I think it's on discount. This here is the cover of the water tank. And voila, the Dolce Gusto. There's a little bit scratch here, but I don't mind. It's not so bad. Not so bad. So, okay, wait. So, here it is in its glory. So, let me see. We got a gloss. We get a gloss finish on the front. See that? Gloss finish on the front and matte finish at the back. There's some curves. It's so sexy, I think. See, nice curves. So here is the water tank. So the water tank just slips in quite easily like that, and then like that. So you got the, here's where the water comes in, and I believe there's a rubber. Yeah, it's rubber here. Yeah, strainers there also. It's quite straightforward actually. This is supposed to be 0.8 liters. So the box, we got a barcode. This is the lever what I'm talking about. So we got two colors here, red and blue. So when you pull the lever to the right, the machine will give you hot water. When you pull the lever to the left, the machine will give you cold water, which is not actually cold. It's just the temperature of the water without heating it. Yes. So at the front, you get the branding here, Nescafe Dolce Gusto, red one also. Where's this all? Why are they fun with the red? It's like a car with a red accent. I don't dislike it. I like it actually. Just so you know, if you hate red, maybe you don't want to like this. So we get the LED, all this lighting here. Okay. This one cannot be, it is fixed. But you can use this here, this one here, if you want to put it like a short cup. Just slide it here like this. Yes. Yeah, it slides in these tabs here. So it's very simple. So here is the lever, the cover I meant. You have to, yes, to open that one. Then you'll have access to this. Pull up, and then here we'll have this like what, it's just maybe supposed to be here, maybe for cleaning probably. But when you have a capsule, then you put it here. I will show you later. I have a capsule here. So yes, it's very quite nothing so special, nothing to be complicated about. It's very simple. See? Very simple. So this way I like it. Aside from its price, because I'm not rich, I'm not even upper middle class. So So let's open this. This is the box of the Dolce Gusto capsules. So the front, you got the Dolce Gusto Americano Intenso. Yes. Here it says also how much coffee. No. How much water? But as I've said, it's up to you. That's what I love about this. It's up to you. If you want stronger, make it shorter time, less water. If you want lighter, more water for you. It's freedom. Freedom. Sorry. Okay. Americano Intenso. Profile, powerful, full-bodied. Yeah. It's from Colombia, origins, Brazil. Yeah. 9 intensity. So let's open it, guys. Just pull the tab off here. Okay, so there they are. These are our friends. They're just inside there, hugging each other. Group hug. Okay, let's pick one. It's quite light, actually. Very light. Looks like it's pressurized inside. It's bulging. Probably with nitrogen, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Usually nitrogen, because nitrogen is inert. Okay, so I will show you how it sits here. So you open it again. I pull the tab. Without this, don't put this in. You put this capsule inside. Yes, it sits in there quite nicely, and then all you have to do is put this back again, and then I will close this because it will actually punch the capsule, and then that's when it will push in the water, hot water, or cold if you like cold. Then your cup will be, of course, filled up under it. So that's it. It's very easy. I will make a video, another video about when it operates, how it operates, right? Or I will not even include it here. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. The Dolce Gusto, the Nescafe Gold Dolce Gusto. The brand here is DeLonghi. The product is Piccolo XS. Okay, yeah, the bottom. If you want to see the bottom, everyone wants to see the bottom. Lever. Yeah. What's this? This is spring. What's it here? Look, this is strange. Why is it like this? Is it supposed to be like this? Look, it's like a spring. Maybe. Okay. Hey guys, bye bye.